Hello friends, solving Rubik's Cube is an incredible exercise for our brain. But in this video, I will not tell you how to solve the cube. I'll tell you how to reassemble the cube if somehow you have managed to dismantle it. So as you can see, this is the backbone of the Rubik's Cube. The cube has two types of pieces. One, a double-sided color, and the other, a triple-sided color. So to reassemble, we'll have to first separate the triple-sided from the double-sided pieces. Here you can see I have made two different set of pieces with three-sided color on one side and the two-sided on the other. Trick is that we'll have to choose one particular color combination, let's say red and blue. Then we would fix the two color piece with red and blue color into it. Similarly, we'll fix the one with red and green combo. Now as you can see that one red line is complete. Next would be the red and white combo. Next we'll fix the red and light green piece here. Now once red is done, we will go ahead fixing the other side pieces. As you can see that after putting in all the two color pieces, the cube is regaining its original shape. Now what is left is to place the three color pieces into the cube. We would start with the red plane first. So we will fix the piece with red, blue and white color to it. And then proceed with fixing of other pieces of red to it. And here, as the last piece is fixed, the red plane gets completed. Similarly, we'll be fixing the rest of the three color pieces into the cube. And finally, as we put in the last piece of the cube, our cube is complete and we are good to go. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.